Scott, welcome to the Law Show. Scott.
Hello. Yes.
You're on the air. Do you have a question?
Thank you. Are you there?
Yes, we're here. We're listening.
Okay. I lost my home last year, November. It was my eviction date. Couldn't afford it anymore. I'm disabled, and I was getting disability, Social Security, and I was getting also workman's comp. And, well, I couldn't work and had some issues with comp, so my lawyer was taking care of that. That's in court right now, but I didn't have enough money to keep my house and everything else.
Hey, Scott. Yeah. Listen, your story sounds just like everybody else's, and we feel for you, okay? The question I have for you is, what's your question for us?
Okay, if I filed bankruptcy, I was wondering, I was told that if the bank comes after me for what they didn't get out of my house, for what I owed, that bankruptcy wouldn't help me.
Well, when they sold it at sheriff's sale, did they bid the amount that they were owed?
No, they didn't even get close. They didn't even try.
Yeah, I mean, that's definitely a concern to have, is that's what happens when people are walking away and the house are getting bought for less than what you owed. There's a difference there, and that's called a deficiency. And a bankruptcy would wipe that out. A Chapter 7 would get rid of that if they came after you for it.
But what would the bankruptcy do to its workers' compensation case?
There's a lot of different factors that we have to consider. A lot of workers' compensation is exempt in bankruptcy, so we'd have to really sit down and go over all your unique facts, because every situation is different, so that's why we do the free consultations.
Yeah, they wanted me to settle, which I agreed to, but I know for one thing, Social Security is never going to settle for what they're offering them. I just come down with major staph infections, and
listen. Hey, Scott, this is what you should do. You should get in touch with Justin and put Justin in touch with your workers' compensation lawyer, okay? And both of them can help work these things out. And that's really the best way to go. It's unfortunate, but most lawyers who specialize in a particular area don't have the ability or the time to learn other areas. Like, for example, what you need is a workers' compensation lawyer, which it sounds like you've got a good one. But now, unfortunately, you also need a lawyer that knows about bankruptcy and foreclosure, and that's Justin. So you need to get the two of them together and work out a team result. Put them on a team and have them work for you to get you the best result possible, okay?
Yeah, I also need a good malpractice lawyer, too.
Well, you're talking to one. So listen, your call is, you've got a lot going on. You got a lot on your plate, my friend. So
yeah, I'm walking around with a major staph infection, which the hospital sent me away twice without doing anything,
Scott, I'm going to put you on hold. Zach's going to get your phone number, and I'll call you this afternoon, okay?
Wow, I'd really appreciate it.
Thanks for calling the Law Show. We're going to continue answering all your legal questions at 855-LAW-SHOW. That's 855-529-7469. And you can also email your questions to